For backing up or restoring files, most users need to transfer data between Android device and computer, and in order to complete the transfer more effectively and effortlessly, lots of people select to sync the files with Android transfer app or program instead of moving the data directly. ES File Explorer File Manager. ES File Explorer File Manager is a free, safe, and simple file manager for Android users. With this tool, you are able to manage and transfer the images, music, movies, documents, applications, and more on your Android phone easily. AirDroid, remote access and file transfer. With more than 10 million users worldwide, AirDroid helps people to access Android device from PC and sync data between two devices effortlessly. Pushbullet SMS on PC. Pushbullet is one of the best applications to transfer file between PC and Android devices. As long as both your computer and Android device are online and signed into the same account simultaneously, you will be able to transfer your files, share music, and transfer files. Xender. As a professional Android file transfer application, Xender empowers users to send multiple files to multiple devices. Once your computer and Android device are connected over the same Wi-Fi, you can begin the file transfer without any hassle. Resilio Sync. Resilio Sync is good at transferring files from device to device. With it, you can share photos, videos, and documents without storage limits. In addition, it will encrypt all the files during the transfer and never store the information on any third-party servers. Cloud storage service. Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. To move files between Android and computer. Cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. could be a good option. You just need to upload the wanted files from Android or computer to the cloud storage service. MobiKin Assistant for Android. Apart from Android transfer applications, you can also try a powerful software called MobiKin Assistant for Android. This software is designed to help Android users manage their phone data easily. It allows you to import files from computer to Android